So, yo, what's up, guys? We're back with another video of Lightning SMP, and yeah, we're back. And last time, we were making this farm, and he need to go.
Yeah, but we needed
Yeah, but somehow we made the things. Bro, it was so difficult, right? It was so difficult.
was broken.
Yeah,
Water system was literally broken.
yeah, it was broken. Yeah,
Even we don't have protection system in our
yeah. Okay, so what can we do today?
Yeah, I don't know.
Do you know the new weapon maze?
Yeah.
Want to get it? But for we need to go trial chamber, and for trial chambers we need like a trial map, trial chambers map for cartographer. From cartography table, from a cartographer. Bro, my house literally every day explodes. Yeah, yeah. And if you guys don't know that, he also have a channel. Yes, he also have a channel. Bro, I give you thorns. I literally give you thorns. So now it can be fair with PvP. Bro, you and your ex. I have protection force. Yeah, I have protection 4 in my armor. Protection 4, protection 4. In my leg. I also have in my helmet protection 4. Bro, this sussy thorns. I can't beat you so fast now. But I have smite. I have smite, bro. Yeah. Smite 5. I have smite 5, bro. We can do our first harvest of farm. Done, bro. Or if we can get ready, like we can do. We need to make a cartography table. I don't know. you will see later. Let us get our first harvest of our farm. Come to the farm.
For our first harvest.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Are you there? Okay. 3, 2, 1. And
Oh.
it is working. That is a bug. That is a bug. And let me turn it off. It will turn off. I also got almost 2 stacks of carrots. Are these going? They are going to the chests. Let's go to our chest room. I think from this. Okay, here is our chest room. More wheat. Bro, here is a lot of wheat seeds. Wait, let me go there also. Okay, here is more, bro. Bro, it is giving a lot of profit.
What is
This farm, man. Okay, now get seeds. Get seeds and let us potatoes more. I planted some potatoes also. Here some potatoes. Okay. More. Okay. I have no space in my inventory. One stack, 2 stacks of these. Let me get some carrots. What? You get the literally a zombie has a carrot. Let me wait. That side, 2 of the rows will carrot and one row will be potato. Wow. We need to make this special. Bro, this server is rigged by rain. This server is rigged by rain. Yeah. Yes. Okay, let's get some more carrots. I started KFC here. Yeah, you can get KFC from me. Yeah, very less price. There, and on this side, all will be seeds. Farm is working properly. No issue. We have a lot of profit. Bro, come here, I have. Bro. We need new member in Lightning SMP, bro. I need to find. I have a lot of friends, bro. Plant all your seeds here. Bro, I give you a stack of seeds. Wow. You can get KFC from me from now on. How? You can buy now KFC. KFC's meals. You can buy chicken. Bro, who fears from Enderman? Yeah, this sassy Enderman. Let me get my KFC, but I need some seeds. I have my godown of chicken. I need to breed them. Okay, from here is the chest room. More. Okay. Get full inventory of seeds. So here is what? from my real house I am getting like someone's getting KFC, bro. KFC, bro. What is this even? Put item in hopper, then activate and deactivate trash. Okay, trash. This, bro, how this can be trash? Wait, bro, here is a lot of things, bro. Break, break, break. What? I have fire protection, bro. I have fire protection. I can die of fire. Bro, we need to put trash here, right? My trash is nothing. Let me go to my chicken go down. You don't know my chicken go down. Special go down. Okay, somewhere right. Okay, never mind. Somewhere close to this, yes, here. Here is my chicken go down. Let me breed these guys. Okay, breeding. Breeding is now cool. They need more space. Let's get these. Do you want KFC? Why? Bro, you don't have KFC. KFC better. Now more breeding. We have unlimited source of seeds. But how much seed is this guy going to eat? Bro, a full stack of seed. This small guy finished. Finally, that guy is big. Wants to breed. Get big. My every seed. Oh, I have one more stack. Finally. Go breed. Okay. Good KFC. What? Because you have respiration. eat and get big. Then you will go to KFC. Do you want to work on KFC? I can give you salary. And also you can get free meals. You can get free meals from if you work on KFC, and for 1 month I'm gonna pay you 1 diamond. No, 1 day, 1 day, 1 Minecraft day. Yeah, not 1 day. 1 day only. Yeah. Do you want to work? Yeah? Do you want? No. Okay. My chicken godown is so big. I don't know, bro. Now let's get chicken. This is time to get chickens. What? Done. Today's profit 6 chicken. 6 chickens. Wanna practice water bucket clutch? Let's. I will practice water bucket clutch. I'm gonna. Bro, I did literally on 318 to the bedrock level. Bro, you can't go to 1000 blocks even. You can't. Bro, the limit is 318. 318 is the height level. I do from there to bedrock while I was practicing. From there to the bedrock level I did. Like minus 60 to 69. Bro, you can go to 1000. Why even? Bro, no. No, not even creative. Now do clutch, now do clutch. Bro, you can't go to the max Y level is like 318. I went to creative and do on my other world. My survive like my there was one creative world of my. I do you need XP? If you need XP, so one person should be here and one person should be down. Let me do water clutch and yes sir. This is how we do clutches. I have 5 level. Bro, I literally enchanted my full armor. And also yours, bro. Don't think that you get your armor by free. I enchanted your armor. I enchanted your armor for free, Ben. Bro, what are you doing? No! Let me get it fixed. I need some slabs. I have diorite. Okay, now wait. Oh, the 2 slabs. Well, no. It will be like this. Then done fixing. Bro, are you AFK or something? So? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Another water bucket clutch. Yes, sir. Okay, glitch. Glitch gets you a lot of blocks. Also guys, if you forgot to subscribe, so smash the subscribe button. Yeah, I will give his channel's link on description. And also my another friend's link, you need to subscribe that also. My that friend is begging for subscribers, bro. Mr. Cheyenne. Okay. Not given a clutch. There is a bug. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes, sir. I will do 100 blocks challenge. What? Jumping from 100 blocks. You can. Okay. Let me do it also. I am Bomaster. Not in bro in the Minecraft. Okay. Yes, bruh. Wait. How it can be happen? I placed my water. I need to. What? Wait. I placed my water, bro. I placed my water. I think a glitch or something. Bro, I landed in the water. No. Bro, what is happening, bro? I'm just. No, bro. Bro, a lot of creeper is literally your farm is breaking, bro. Your farm is getting broken. How? Not even your farm, bro. Not even in your farm. Outside. Bro. You can see the biggest monster party. I can call the monster party if you want to see. If you want to see, I can call. Not creeper. No! No. I'm pro, not like you. Nothing. Bro, is your XP farm working? It's literally now broken. What? What WhatsApp call, bro? WhatsApp call. Yeah. They are too sus. Bro, literally. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and then. Bro, I placed water. I placed water, bro. From where? From one block. Did you do from one block? I think you do from one block. So easy, bro. What is this bug? This sussy glitch. This sussy glitch. This is. You also have you literally don't do your clutch. You didn't. You didn't, bro. I bet you didn't. And yes, sir. That's how we all do. Yes, sir. Because you have respiration 3. Bro, I was telling you this is a bug. This is. Pre- Boom. That's how we all do. Nothing. Bro, you have respiration 3. I need to get respiration 3. I have protection 4 but not. I don't. Bro, my last armor broke literally. It literally broke. Dum dum. Easy, bro. Easy. Bro, that's a C song. Bro, where are you building up? Bro, you couldn't even die from this. Watch me doing, bro. Come up first. First come up. Watch. You are not. So, what I will do, bro? Look. I will build up from here. I will go there. I will go there. I am going more 25 blocks up. I think you can see my name tag. Bro, that's literally only 100 blocks. I'm going to 120. I am going to the cloud level. Then I will go to the most high